Hello and good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Are you thinking about bed right now? I mean, I am, be honest. Ole Miss marijuana researchers are partnering with a Mississippi cannabis manufacturer to study the effects of CBD on sleep quality. The university is partnering with Southern Sky Brands, who operates a 70,000 square foot processing facility near Canton. The National Center for Cannabis Research Education at Ole Miss is one of the leading marijuana research institutions in the country. Participants in the study will be monitored for sleep duration, sleep quality, and other wellness issues. Also in Oxford, I don't think we're going to stop talking about the January ice storm anytime soon. But the Tennessee Valley Authority is helping Ole Miss recover and replace those trees that were damaged in the ice storm. TVA donated $50,000 to help restore the tree canopy after the ice storm destroyed so many of the beautiful trees on campus. Ole Miss authorities estimate about a 10% loss of tree canopy and cover in some of the wooded areas on campus. Rockets are roaring back at Stennis Space Center. NASA is partnering with Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' private space company, to test the rockets on the latest launch vehicles at the Bay St. Louis facility. Off to the moon. Now, hot fire testing for Blue Origin will start this fall. The goal, rockets that could one day supply a manned space station on the moon. See? Stennis built its name testing Saturn V rockets for the Apollo missions back in the 60s and more recently, NASA's Artemis moon rockets. Thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great evening.